Okay, the moment is upon us. We have an update to the MCU. So let's go check it out. Okay, so we are in Scott's car now. He actually got the update last night. I haven't gotten an update in a while. It's kind of sad. Let me pull up my phone and I'll tell you exactly what update I'm on. Eric is on 2018.10.4, so I'm a little behind. David did get an update. That was the one that was supposed to be the maps. He got that, I think, like 3 weeks ago. Still hasn't gotten the maps, but Scott did just get an update. 2018.14.2, as you can see right there. And that includes the new browser. So let's go up here. And then, oh, YouTube now loads, but doesn't recognize any of the video formats. So there's that. It looks like he was playing around with this a little bit. So one thing to try out is a website, html5test.com. And so this is a test of your browser and everything. So it's how well does your browser support HTML5. And here you can see Scott on his, he has the old MCU. He does have Autopilot 2.5, but that has nothing to do with the MCU, so I just want to make that clear. He gets a score of 304 out of 555 points. And you can kind of see what all that actually looks at here. Goes through quite a lot of options, and is a lot. I'd recommend checking it out, but it kind of like shows you what all it can and can't do. There's a lot here. But anyway, what we're going to do today is test out some websites on his and on mine, which is still on 2018.10.4. She's over there looking beautiful as ever, along with my electric lawnmower, because we're all electric here. But we're going to go ahead and check out some websites on his car and on my car. I'll go ahead and put them side by side so that you guys can see the speed yourself. 174, that's awesome. That means that the new process has improved it almost double for Scott, so that's really awesome to see. So let's kind of see how it does with everything else.
Inside lane, missing exits, glued to the pavement. Between the lines, I'll keep my gaze straight ahead as the last stop flies by. No more waiting for the gun to fire. No more walking through revolving doors. I've gone around once, and I don't need to go around anymore. Break away, forget your sober case. Stop dwelling on empty words. Stop stalling in the doorway and cancel the cruise control. Switch it in the manual. Don't you wanna feel right? Shape the mind, speeding up the pace, turning up the heat, where I need to be for the first time. I'm taking risks, I'm casting off without a lifeline. Break away, forget your sober case. Stop dwelling on empty words. Stop stalling in the doorway and cancel the cruise control. Switching in the manual. Don't you wanna feel right again? Don't you wanna feel whole? Don't you wanna feel?
Okay, so hopefully you guys were able to see through that. The new update 2018.14.2 definitely sped up the old MCU to very, very nice levels, actually. I'm very happy to see this, and it's really not that far off from the new MCU speeds, which is amazing. I really wish this update might have happened a little while ago, but I'll take it. I'm very happy to see this. Now I just can't wait to get it on my car, back over there. So I did end up testing the speed test on both cars, as you saw. Both basically same location, everything. There was no difference. My phone tested in both locations gets the exact same. So it is definitely more of a car or update issue, and it was way faster. So that's awesome to see that that was improved. But as you saw too, Tesla didn't even load right. Movie Phone didn't load right. And you could actually see with Movie Phone, the reason I chose that and spelled it with a PH instead of the F is I wanted to see if a redirect would take any longer. Definitely faster. TeslaInventory.com, my own website. Wouldn't even open on my car on the old update, but the new update it does. So excited to see this update. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. Let me know down in the comment section below if you have received it and what updates you like to use to test. I know through the forums and everything, a lot of people have been testing my website because we know it doesn't work on the old updates, but it does on the new ones. So definitely let me know. And I still haven't heard back from Tesla on the cost of the new MCU to switch mine out. Elon did tweet, say that it's going to be possible. But they haven't come up with a cost yet, but after seeing this update, I don't know if it's really going to be required to update anymore because it really makes the MCU much faster. So very, very, very excited to see this update. Hopefully you guys enjoy it as much as I am. Now I just need it in my car. Please, maybe tonight. Fingers crossed. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. If you are looking for a Tesla, definitely check out our website, TeslaInventory.com. If you are looking for a new or inventory Tesla Model S or X, feel free to use our referral code. It's down in the description below and at the top of our website. Doing so will actually get you free unlimited supercharging, which is the only way to do so. Unfortunately, Model 3s do not qualify for this. It's only Model S and X, new in inventory. But if you do use our referral code, definitely fill out the contact form through the website that I set up, so that way we can get your information. So when we take delivery of our next gen Roadster, we can invite you guys out, do some test rides, have basically a giant delivery party, because really without your guys' support, none of this would be possible. So I really can't thank you guys enough. Definitely thumbs up if you enjoyed it and are so excited for this update. So excited. Go and click here to subscribe here for some other videos, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.